everyone, today I'm going to review the Park Plaza Victoria London Hotel. The Park Plaza Victoria London, owned by the Radisson Hotel Group, served as our home for the first 3 weeks when we moved to London a year back in 2019. We picked this 4-star hotel as it was near my husband's new office, so watch this video till the end to know whether this Park Plaza Victoria is the best hotel in central London or not. Located just minutes walk away from Victoria London train station and the prime tourist places like Buckingham Palace, Big Ben, Houses of Parliament, Park Plaza Hotel is ideal for business travelers as well as for families or tourists alike. Their accommodation options include superior executive studio rooms plus studio 1-bedroom and 2-bedroom apartments. By the way, for the safety and well-being of the guest, Park Plaza has implemented a new process for hotels that incorporates their partner Radisson Hotel Group's safety protocol initiative with SGS. These steps include new cleaning and disinfection procedures, increased attention to safety in communal spaces, protective equipment, and updated training for the team members. For more details, kindly click the link given in the description box. Now let me show you our room. We booked a superior double room furnished with all the modern amenities for us. The room was spacious enough to store our 4 large travel suitcases without getting jammed. Our room was on the 6th floor, and from the window we could see the beautiful rooftop dome of the hotel's lounge area as well as enjoy the gorgeous sky view. Our room had a king-size comfortable bed with soft pillows and blankets. A relaxing chair was placed near the window to enjoy the views of the sky. There were 2 bedside tables, a remote for electric curtains and lights, 2 cute and comfy sleepers, and a work desk with a chair right adjacent to the wall mirror. The work desk dryers had paper materials, envelopes, a pen, and an excellent hair dryer. Usually, hotel dryers happen to be cheap and do more damages than good, but I love that blow dryer. The large wardrobe located right at the entry area of the room was spacious and had extra pillows, an iron machine and board, and a digital safe to keep your money and precious items. There were a large flat-screen TV with complimentary Sky channels, remote control curtains, and a minibar in our room. The rooms at Park Plaza Victoria also offered tea and coffee making facilities and free Wi-Fi. I was disappointed with their poor Wi-Fi service though. The bathroom was neat, spacious, well equipped with Elmis toiletries, bathrobes, and towels. They do not provide toothpaste, toothbrush, and toothpicks, so make sure you pack these items in your travel bag if you have selected this hotel. Now let me show you the lounge area. The wide, impressive reception area of Park Plaza Victoria London Hotel has a beautiful sitting area for the guests, decked with some lovely indoor plants, gorgeous lights, and wall paintings. The front desk executives are prompt, welcoming, active, and friendly. All our booking and registration process got done smoothly and swiftly. I love the lounge area a lot. The natural light coming through the transparent rooftop ceiling makes the space bright and enchanting. It is spacious and airy as well. Guests can relax and enjoy tea and drink in the lounge area. The corridors are decorated nicely with paintings and beautiful carpets that look great. There was a pleasant aroma all around the hotel and our room, of course. Now let's talk about their hospitality. The best part of Park Plaza Victoria London is their room service and staff's etiquette. During our 3-week stay at this hotel, we got the opportunity to meet a number of their staff members. Each of them was so friendly, well-mannered, efficient and amiable. The service was top-notch, so yes, they get a big plus for their hospitality. Every day, the housekeeping staff would come and clean the room, change the sheets, slippers, water bottles, bath towels, etc. They would also keep extra tea bags, the milkshake mix of my choice on the tray. Overall, they took care of every single detail during our stay at the hotel. Coming to the food, TOZI, the Italian bar and restaurant of Park Plaza London, is located right in the lounge area. It offers a wide variety of international, Middle Eastern, Asian and intercontinental food. The restaurant is spacious and has plenty of seats for the guests. We enjoyed the breakfast buffet. My husband and I tried the pancakes, eggs Florentine, omelette, baked beans, fruit juices and hot coffee from the breakfast buffet menu. Since Mr. Husband had to go to his office and I was staying alone all day long, I opted for an in-room dining service for both lunch and dinner. So what we ordered? From appetizers, we ordered nachos, spiced falafel, vegetable samosas, hot kitchen soup. From mains, we ordered chicken tikka masala, spinach chickpea sweet potato and tomato curry, fish and chips, grilled chicken supreme, pasta. For dinner, at times we would visit local restaurants like Kazan, Nando's or Indian restaurants which are situated near the Park Plaza Hotel. But maximum times we have had food from our hotel Park Plaza only. Whenever we felt hungry and ordered something, we were provided with fresh and hot food. How amazing is that? They took the utmost care of my food preferences and served food exactly the way I wanted to eat. Needless to say that we were thoroughly impressed with Park Plaza's in-room dining service. We couldn't get the chance to have lunch or dinner at the TOZI restaurant during our stay at the hotel. However, I'm looking forward to paying a visit to this most popular restaurant in central London soon. We could not experience the sauna and steam spa either. My husband was busy with his office work, plus we had to search for a rented house in a central London at the same time. I wish I had more time to explore this gorgeous hotel. I give this hotel 4 stars out of 5. How far is this Park Plaza Victoria Hotel from the London Heathrow Airport? If you take a cab, it will take about 35 to 40 minutes from London Heathrow Airport via M4 and A4. Is the Park Plaza Victoria London Hotel expensive? No, it is not. Before moving to the UK, we were looking for a budget-friendly 4-star hotel in central London. We found Park Plaza to be less costly than its counterparts. Did you like all the services offered by the hotel? Except for Wi-Fi, I liked everything offered by this hotel. How about the Park Plaza Victoria London Hotel location and surroundings? As I mentioned earlier, this hotel is in the heart of the city, London. Hence, the landmark tourist places like Big Ben, Buckingham Palace, Gardens are situated nearby Park Plaza Victoria Hotel. Moreover, near the Park Plaza Hotel, you would find other famous restaurants like Giraffe, Rosa's Thai Cafe Victoria, Kazan Restaurant, Loco Mexicano, Nando's Victoria, etc. During your stay at the hotel, if you are required to purchase food items like biscuits, snacks or toothpaste, brush, sanitary napkins, etc., then you can get these kinds of stuff from the Sainsbury's store, which is just minutes away from the Park Plaza Hotel. Is it safe to visit and stay at the Park Plaza Victoria Hotel in 2020 during this global pandemic COVID-19? If you visit Park Plaza's official site, you will notice that they have updated the information. Park Plaza has incorporated a 20-step process, a new protocol for the safety of the guests. I have added the link in the description box to check it out, please. So, is Park Plaza Victoria the best hotel in central London? Nonetheless, my staycation experience at Park Plaza Victoria London was amazing. I would highly recommend Park Plaza to those who are looking for a great hotel in the heart of the city. When we moved to London from Hong Kong, many of his colleagues moved to the UK with their families as well. At that time, they stayed at different hotels for a brief period of time like us. From their experience, it is clear that our hotel Park Plaza undeniably one of the best hotels in central London. The prime location, great hospitality, delicious food, and the modern look with a nice ambience make the Park Plaza Victoria London worth the visit and stay. If you found the Park Plaza Victoria London Hotel review helpful and informative, then do not forget to share it with your friends and family, because sharing is caring. Have you ever stayed at the Park Plaza Victoria London Hotel? If yes, do share your experience with me in the comment section below. Also, do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel. I'll come up with a new video soon. Until then, stay beautiful, stay healthy.